A quick note about blade maintenance, blade care. This handle in particular is one that is, it's made out of black canvas micarta. It's got a tan canvas micarta liner. Micarta can change color with exposure to sunlight, cleaning, oil, things like that. So what we typically do here at Tops is any kind of canvas material, black canvas, tan canvas, green canvas, we will usually put some type of an oil finish on them before we send them out. That oil finish can kind of fade a little bit. As it starts to dry, you'll see fibers and you'll see stuff, particularly around the edges, where it just gets, as it gets dry, it gets lighter. It doesn't have that same like dark, vibrant color that it has when it's first oiled. So this is a question that we get a lot. People will get a knife, they'll use it for a while, or they'll wash it and then they think, oh crap, I did something to my handle. Your handle's fine. That's just what it looks like when it's clean and dry. It looks more dull. A lot of the fibers start to show through. That stuff tends to happen. So the easiest way after cleaning your knife or after maintaining your knife to get those handles looking fresh and clean again is to use Tops Blade Sauce. This is made by Wicked Wax. It's an excellent product for taking care of your blade handle. It works well on micarta, G10, wood. It works on other composites as well. It's excellent at adding a little bit of a layer of rust prevention. So especially with our 1095 blades, this blade sauce is awesome for just keeping your blades in good shape. Wicked Wax comes as kind of a, almost like a balm type consistency. If it gets really hot, it will melt, so I would not recommend leaving it in a vehicle. Once it cools back down, it will solidify to an extent. But you can see it's pretty soft. I mean, I can pull that out of there just by putting a little bit of pressure with my finger. All you have to do to get this handle darkened back up is just put a little bit of this on it. I usually will just put it on my fingers and rub it in. This stuff is food safe. It's made out of materials that are all food safe, so you don't need to worry about this getting your hand all nasty. A little bit of this goes a fairly long way. Just be careful around the blade edge. And I mean, we're talking very little. Like, you really don't need a lot of this. This is plenty for one side of the handle. I'll get this all over everything, and I'm going to do really kind of just the one side, so that you can see a little bit of the contrast between the side that's still pretty good, but and then something that's just freshly oiled. Wipe off the excess. This is the quickest, easiest way to get that handle looking nice and dark and crisp again. So a lot of those fibers, a lot of those dry like white areas that you could see before I put that on, those are gone. And here's what the side that's been used for a while looks like. So it'll fade a little bit over time, but that is just the nature of the beast. We like to leave our micarta a little bit more grippy, a little bit more rough, I guess you could say. That rough texture gives you just a much better grip. We could polish this stuff out, we can do those other things, but I personally prefer the extra grip you get from it just being a little bit more of a rough finish.